Unit 3, Chapter 7. Let's know new words. Look, listen and learn. L. L for ladder. L for lock. L for leaf. L for lemon. H. H for horse. H for hat. H for hen. H for hut. R. R for rocket. R for rose. R for rabbit. R for ribbon. S for sun. S for sack. S for saucer. S for sickle. Listen and find the correct picture. Leela has a lemon and a leaf. Hemant has a hen and a hat. Rashid has a ribbon and a rose. Sonabai has a sack and a sickle. Look, listen and say. Scissors. Scooter. Sky. Slide. Snail. Snake. Spade. Spoon. Stall. Star. Stick. Swing. Look, listen carefully, repeat and enact. Sit. Stand. Sleep. Smile. Speak. Swim. Start. Stop.